trade yokuqala fandachi ibuy on GBP JPY. I bought because of the inversion fair value gap le blue the box eli blue ngilimakhile. I wonder bengizothini la. So I bought because ama confluences biswaphelele. So the first confluence we went for sell side or buy side liquidity sweep. So in this case it was a sell side liquidity sweep. Then the price shifted in market structure from bearish to bullish. Then I bought because of that. So la I took a loss because the price higher panty and took me out labbing corner. Then I took a peso. So you can see in a few minutes. So here I was scaling in now, so I lost the trade. Then on Nasdaq I had similar confluences as GBP JPY. First trade, I started 160 USD. So second trade, I was waiting for price to take out the low layer A created so that things will kind of enter another trade, like the true trade or the right trade. So confluences walana sell side liquidity was swept of the Asia, sell side liquidity London is being swept. So it gave me a confirmation that okay, so we must be buying here. And there was if you look at that blue box which gave me get go. I thought then I bought for the second time. So this was the trade. If I had like ngilinga ibamba yonke le trade le bengayenza roughly 5,000 USD, but because I was content with what I made, which was 1,100 USD on this account, then on the other account I made like $2,000 US. So which was a good day for me. Yeah. So the trade le be fast ngalendlela le. They won like 600 USD in like a few seconds. So the lot size was crazy, guys. Obviously, it was crazy. So I think I'll put a screenshot at the end to show you which yearly I took and went up. So here I was showing you the other account that I have, the prop firm account. Nazobe, I made 1,100 on this account, then on this account I'm up 1,700. So thank you for watching.